What's good, guys? I would like to welcome you back to my channel. Today I am showing you guys how I prepare my southern fried cabbage. If you would like to cook along with me, you're going to need 1 cabbage. I'm using smoked sausages, but you can use whatever type of meat you would like. And I'm also using 1/2 of a white onion. The seasonings that I'm using garlic powder, seasoned salt, black pepper, and 1 beef bouillon cube. Please disregard my ratchet nails. Y'all know what time it is. I am dicing my onions. I have already cut up my cabbage, cleaned it and rinsed it off. Once I finish cutting up my onions, I will start cutting up my sausages. Yeah, so if you're liking this video so far, please thumbs it up and show me some love. Alright, once our onions all cut up, we put it in a bowl, set it aside, and start cutting up our sausage. Once that's cut up, we're going to put that in a bowl and set that aside as well. Alright, so now we need to heat our pan up. I'm going to put it on 8, which I believe is like medium high. I'm going to also add some olive oil so that I can saute my onions. Alright, so now we're going to just saute our onions until they become translucent. We're not trying to cook them all the way, just trying to cook them until they're translucent. Then we're going to add our sausages, and we're going to brown our sausages and add our cabbage. Alright, so I'm going to be seasoning my cabbage with the garlic powder, some seasoned salt, and some ground pepper. And I'm also using 1 beef bouillon cube. The best seasoning ever. So we're adding our cabbage. It might look like it's a lot and that it will not fit in this pan, but believe me, cabbage is like nothing but water. So that's why you don't add any water to the pan. So once it cooks down, it will produce its own water and it will cook down. Alright, so now I'm adding my seasoned salt. I cannot tell you how much that was. Just eyeball it. And my garlic powder. But make sure you taste your food because, you don't want it to be too salty. And then you definitely do not want it to have no taste. So I'm adding my bouillon cube like in the center, and you don't have to like pre-do anything to it. It will dissolve in the water once the cabbage starts cooking down. And then I mix that together really well and put the lid on it. Let the lid stay on and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes. And as you can see, the cabbage has cooked down a lot. You can see the water from the cabbage cooking down. So I'm gonna cook it uncovered for a couple of more minutes just to cook down that water. So at this point, it's been about 7 minutes, and this is what we're looking like. The cabbage has cooked down some more, and the water has as well. It's still a good amount of water in there, but we won't plate it with the water. So yeah, I'm going to show you what it looks like after I plate it. I wish you guys were here to smell it. And there we go, guys. Oh my god, it looks so good. If you like this video, guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and comment if you have any comments. And until next time, guys, bye.